Bent River Machine is your competitive single-source design and manufacturing solution for your parts, assemblies, products, and automation. Our projects are produced by the highest valued employees, state-of-the-art technology, exceeding customer expectations, and meeting ISO 9001:2015. We help companies enhance their manufacturing capabilities with partially or fully automated systems by integrating equipment and developing custom automation. We specialize in front-of-line and end-of-line robotic systems integration and provide cost-effective solutions for material handling, palletizing, case packing, machine tending, and assembly. As an OEM, we provide our customers a competitive advantage through better design and efficient manufacturing of their product. Milling and turning, mechanical, electrical, and pneumatic assembly, welding, grinding, cutting, and sheet metal fabrication services are available. We have developed a programmable control system designed for experimentation of different variables in the lamination process. Our panel laminators provide solutions to numerous industries, including terrestrial solar, space solar, solar mobility, semiconductor, LED, optics, glass, coatings, fabrics, film, and flat panel display. Multiple lamination modes allow for users to execute experimentation with customizations to meet size and process requirements, or run a proven recipe in a production environment. When manufacturers need tooling to aid in their manufacturing process, we are a great option because we can procure the raw material and components, assemble the tool, and test. Bent River Machine designs and builds the tools and equipment needed to build your products. Contact us today to discuss your project requirements.